morning students. In last class we learnt about the surface area of a solid figure. This week we are going to get the knowledge of volume or capacity. The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. Clear ma? A solid figures have three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. Okay? A solid figure have three dimensions, length, breadth and height. Clear ma? The volumes are expressed in cubic units. The examples are centimeter cube, meter cube, millimeter cube. So the volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. Clear ma? Next one, measurement of volume of solids. This is the example of a solid. Find the volume of the solid ma. Find the number of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cubes. Each cube has a value 1 centimeter cube. Okay? Each cube has a value 1 centimeter cube. There are 12 cubes ma. So 12 into 1 centimeter cube equal to 12 centimeter cube. So the total volume of a solid is 12 centimeter cube. Clear ma? Next one, volume of cuboid. Cuboid has length, breadth and height. Volume of a cuboid equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Clear ma? Volume of a cuboid equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. So this portion is called length, this portion is called breadth and this one is height. Clear ma? Next one, volume of cube. Cube is a cuboid whose length, breadth and height values are equal. See here ma, length is equal to x, breadth is equal to x, height is equal to x. Cube is also a cuboid whose length, breadth and height values are equal. So volume of a cube equal to length into breadth into height. We know that all lengths are same. So x into x equal to x cube cubic units. Clear? Volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height cubic units. Volume of a cube, x cube cubic units. In this place, length equal to breadth equal to height. Clear? Next one, right circular cylinder. Okay? Consider the rectangle. This is length. This value is the breadth. The objects of a cylinder are milk tins, soft drink cans, pipes, rounded pencils. These are all the examples of a cylinder. Now, to form a cylinder, a rectangular surface is folded along its length. Clear ma? To form a cylinder, a rectangular surface is folded along its length. Now, this length is equal to circumference of a base. Now, the length is equal to circumference of the base. Breadth is equal to height of the cylinder. When we fold this rectangular sheet to form a cylinder, this length is converted into circumference of the base of a cylinder and breadth is equal to height of a cylinder. Clear ma? Now, curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to Here length is converted into circumference of a base of a cylinder. We know that circumference of a base is 2 pi r. Clear ma? Circumference of the base is 2 pi r. Length is equal to 2 pi r. Now b is equal to height. So curved surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi rh square units. Next, total surface area of a cylinder. So listen ma, total surface area of a cylinder means these portions include top and bottom. In lateral surface area, we consider only surrounded parts. It does not include top and bottom, but total surface area include top and bottom value. So the area of a base is equal to pi r square, and then in this place also area of the top is equal to pi r square. There are 2 pi r square mark. So 2 pi r square plus this portion, that is curved surface area of a portion. நம்ம இதுல என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படினா curved surface area of a cylinder வந்து top and bottom portion விட்டுட்டு remaining இருக்கிறதுக்கு மட்டும் curved surface area of a cylinder find பண்ணனும். Total surface area of a cylinder means நம்ம curved surface area of a cylinder ஓட top and bottom portion add பண்ணனும். Curved surface area of a cylinder என்னது 2 pi rh. ஓகேவா? இதோட நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்? top and bottom ஓட area find பண்ணோம். Here is pi r square, here is also pi r square. Totally 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of a cylinder. So 2 pi r is common for both. So take outside now. The remaining value is r and then plus h. Okay. Total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Clear ma? Next one, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder means area of the base and height. Volume of the cylinder means area of the base and then height of a cylinder. Area of the base is pi r square, height of the cylinder is height. So volume of a cylinder equal to pi r square h square units. First one, curved surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r h square units. Total surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h square units. Students listen. Next, exercise 14.5. Find the volume of a cuboid whose length is 13 meter, breadth is 10 meter, height is 5 meter. Volume of a cuboid formula is length into breadth into height cubic units. See listen, length is equal to 13, breadth is equal to 10, height is equal to 5. 10 5s are 50, 13 into 50, write 0, 5 3s are 15, write 5, remaining 1, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So volume of a cuboid equal to 650 meter cube. Clear ma? Volume of a cuboid formula is what? Length into breadth into height cubic units. Now we multiply all three values ma. We get 650 meter cube. Third question, find the volume of a cube with edge 10 centimeter. Express the volume in liter. So listen, edges of a cube is equal to 10 centimeter. We know that in a cube, length, breadth and height values are equal. So edges of a cube is 10 centimeter. Volume of a cube is equal to a cube cubic units. Let us consider the edge be a. So volume of a cube is equal cube. 10 into 10 into 10. We get 1000 centimeter cube. See last, express the value in liter. Here is 1000 centimeter cube. We know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So volume of a cube is equal to 1 liter. Clear now? Sixth question. The radius of the well is 1.4 meter and its depth is 10 meter. That is height of the well is 10 meter. Find the quantity of soil that had been taken out to dig the well. Clear ma? Well oda radius 1.4 meter, height 10 meter இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? என்ன find பண்ணோம்? Find the quantity of soil that had been taken out. So அந்த வெல்ல இருந்து quantity of soil நம்ம வெளியில எடுக்கணும். That is தோண்டி எடுக்கணும். சரிங்களா? So நம்ம வந்துட்டு அதோட கெபாசிட்டி எவ்வளவுன்னு பார்த்து தான் நம்ம எடுக்க முடியும் இல்லையா? So அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம்? வால்யூம் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம். வெல் என்ன ஷேப்ல இருக்கும்? சிலிண்டர் ஷேப்ல இருக்கும். So அதனால நம்ம என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம்? வால்யூம் ஆஃப் சிலிண்டர். ஃபார்முலா pi r square h. ரேடியஸும் இருக்கு, ஹைட்டும் இருக்கு. So நம்ம அந்த வேல்யூஸ் இந்த ஃபார்முலால சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணோம்னா quantity of soil வந்துட்டு எவ்வளவு நம்ம தோண்டி எடுக்கறோம்ன்றதை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம். சரிங்களா? So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. We know that pi value 3.14. Radius of the well is 1.4. Here is r square. So 1.4 into 1.4. Height of the well is 10. Listen ma. Now we multiply all the values. See listen. 1.4 into 1.4. We know that 14 into 14, 196. So 1.96 multiplied by 3.14. 3.14 multiplied by 1.96. 6 4s are 24. Write 4. Remaining 2. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 3s are 18. Next 9 4s are 36. Write 6. Remaining 3. 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Write 2. Remaining 1. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. Next 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. So add the all values now. 4. 8 plus 6 is 14. Write 4. Remaining 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Write 5. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 1 11. Write 1. Remaining 1 is here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So there are 4 decimal places. So 6.1544. 6.1544 into 10 multiplied by 10. So this decimal values move to the right side up to 1 places. So 61.544. We round off this value 61.6. Volume of the cylinder is equal to 61.6 meter cube.